G'day guys, Alex Ryan here and welcome back. It's good to have you right here with me, joining me in the Amazon studio, and we're joined by a very popular product. It's called the drone, all right? This drone is actually one of the bestseller drones that was sold on Amazon last year. Like, it's actually one of those drones. It's a very, it's a standard drone, but drones are very popular on Amazon. Now, if you look at the people selling these, if you're thinking of selling something like this, oh, okay, it's got a camera at the bottom. If you're looking to sell something like this on Amazon, let me tell you guys, if it's your first product, do not do it. And the reason why is it's highly technical, all right? So there's too many moving parts in it. There's a lot of things that can go wrong with the drone. Do you know, this is the litmus test to apply, right? Do you know if your drone broke, do you know someone, or do you know how to fix it? And the chances are, well, the probable answer is probably not, right? So you're gonna have to find someone to fix it, or you're gonna have to send it back to the supplier, right? So don't get into products that are very highly technical, things that have a lot of moving parts, things that have a lot of electronics in it, like these little propellers, right? It's like there's a lot of stuff happening there. So for your first, now later on you could do it, right? Second or third or fourth or fifth product, go for it, right? But get your feet wet, especially when you're getting started with Amazon. Get your feet wet and just start small. Start on products that don't have a lot of silicon chips in it, or a lot of computerized stuff, or things that are battery operated. Some products are quite simple and battery operated that are still okay for your first product, but if stuff is you're plugged into a wall and there's this actual silicon chips in it, or storage, there's battery storage in there, or rechargeable batteries or lithium batteries, right? Stay away. Ideally, if it's your first product, all right, stay away from it, because there's a lot of other easier products out there, that you can jump on, all right? So guys, check it out. So check out the smaller products. Now, if you're looking for product ideas, connect with us, visit our website. We've got a free video program on our website. But guys, stay away from this stuff. Leave this to the big boys. Leave it to people that have got their factory in order, that they've got already logistics set up, and they're doing, leave this to other people. Join this later on. Jump on other electronic stuff later on. Jump on smart home devices, right? Which is massive on Amazon. Smart home devices, right? Jump on that later on. Maybe your third product or your fourth product, but just not your first. Keep it simple, all right? Have you ever heard the KISS simple? Keep it simple, stupid, right? For your first product, right? So KISS, keep it simple, stupid, right? Just for your first product, KISS. And then a second product, do something else, all right? Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. If you're looking to start on Amazon, please connect with us. We've got a free video program on our website showing you the hottest products to get started with on Amazon, plus how to find supplies and how to launch your own brand on Amazon. We've got a free video program there. Visit the website below, and I look forward to working with you guys. Like, I actually work with my students for 2 years, and basically it costs a cup of coffee a day. All right, it's like me having me by your side for a cup of coffee a day. I'm calling it a cup of coffee a day, and I'm there for you guys. So I train you every step of the way, from finding hot products to finding winning products, to doing the research, to connecting with quality suppliers that aren't going to give you bad products. They're going to give you great products at great prices. How to get the best price. Not many people know about this, but you can get 30 to 70% off the asking price in Alibaba. Most people don't know. They pay what the supplier wants, right? You don't have to do that. You can get 30 to 70% off, depending on the product, right? But you can do that if you know how to ask. A lot of people don't know how to ask. So check it out, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. I wish you the best on your Amazon journey. Please like, share, and comment on this video. Have an awesome day, and to your success. Bye-bye for now.